say I like in Sinhala. Mainly, there are two ways to say I like in Sinhala. Mama kamati or Mama asai. You can use any of these words to say I like something or someone. There is like a tiny bit difference with the use of this, but you can use both words in almost any place to say I like. The difference can be explained like this. The word asai is more like a feeling of liking something or someone. The word kamati means like you like this particular thing or person compared with other things. But it's like there's no difference between these two words. In almost all the places you can use either of them. Let's look at some examples. Mama kanna asai. Mama kanna asai means I like to eat. Mama kanna asai. Or you can say this as Mama asai kanna. Mama asai kanna. Kanna means to eat. Mama kanna asai means I like to eat. Or you can say the same thing as Mama kamati kanna. Mama kamati kanna. Mama asai bat kanna. I like to eat rice. Or Mama asai bat kanna. Mama asai pot kiyavanna. Mama asai pot kiyavanna. Pot means books. Kiyavanna, to read. Mama asai pot kiyavanna. I like to read books. Mama kamati natanna. Mama kamati natanna. I like to dance. Mama kamati natanna. Mama kamati sellan karanna. I like to play. Mama kamati sellan karanna. Mama kamati duanna. I like to run. Duanna means to run. Mama kamati duanna. You will learn more verbs in the verbs lesson. Remember to watch that video. I will add the link down below when I uploaded that video. Let's see more examples with nouns. Mama kamati me malata. I like this flower. Mala means flower. Me malata means to this flower. Me means like this. You have to say to at the end of a noun if you say Mama kamati or asai like this. Mama kamati or asai and the noun and the to. Mama kamati me malata. It doesn't have to be mama, it can be another subject too. Like oya kamati me malata. Me means this, but you can use me only if you say a noun after the word me. Like this. Me mala. This flower, me nama. This me rata. This country. But if you say I like this, you can't use the word me. You can use me only if there is a noun after the word this. You will learn more about how to say this and that in another lesson. Okay, next sentence. Mama kamati me putuata. I like this chair. Putua, chair. And I think you can remember that you have to add to the noun when you say Mama kamati. Mama kamati me ratata. I like this country. As you can see, you have to add to at the end of the noun when you say you like it. But remember, you don't have to do it with words. So say Mama kamati or Mama asai and say a verb or a noun to say that you like it. If you add the sound ma at the end of these two words like kamati ma, asama, this means your favorite or you like the most. As an example, Mama kamati ma mala, rosa mala. The flower I like the most is rose flower, or means like my favorite flower is rose flower. Mama kamati ma kama, but my favorite food is rice, or it means like the food I like the most is rice. Mama asama bashava Sinhala. My favorite language is Sinhala. Mama asama rata Sri Lanka. My favorite country is Sri Lanka. So if you add ma at the end of kamati or asa, it means favorite. Now you know how to say I like in Sinhala. Okay, let's see if we can say these sentences in Sinhala. I like my country. Pause the video if you want more time and try to say these sentences in Sinhala. Next sentence, I like your name. I like your name. I like Japan. I like America. My favorite country is China. My favorite name is your name. You should know all these words if you watched both this video and the previous video. Okay, let's see if you answered correctly. I like my country. Mama kamati mage ratata. Mama kamati mage ratata. Mama means I, kamati, like, make, my, rata, country. You have to add ta if you say mama kamati and a noun. So, mama kamati mage ratata or mama asai mage ratata. Second sentence, I like your name. Mama kamati oyage namata or mama asai oyage namata. Third sentence, I like Japan. Mama kamati Japaneta. Don't forget to add ta at the end. Mama kamati Japaneta. I like America. Mama kamati Amerikavata. My favorite country is China. Mama kamati marata China. Mama kamati marata China. You don't have to add ta if you say kamati ma or asama. So, mama kamati marata China or Chine. Next sentence. My favorite name is your name. Mama kamati nama oyage nama. Mama kamati nama oyage nama.
කමක් නැහැ. Doesn't matter. මම එහෙම හිතනවා. I hope so. මම එහෙම හිතනවා. I hope so. අපිත් එක්ක එකතු වෙන්න. Join with us. අපිත් එක්ක එකතු වෙන්න. Join with us. මට මහන්සි. I am tired. මට මහන්සි. I am tired. අපි ඒක කරමු. Let's do it. අපි ඒක කරමු. Let's do it. තාම නෑ. Not yet. තාම නෑ. Not yet. ඔයාට මම හෙට කතා කරන්නම්. Talk to you tomorrow. ඔයාට මම හෙට කතා කරන්නම්. Talk to you tomorrow. ඒක නම් වෙන්න බැරි දෙයක්. It's impossible. ඒක නම් වෙන්න බැරි දෙයක්. It's impossible. ඔයා මේ මොනවද කරන්නේ? What are you doing here? ඔයා මේ මොනවද කරන්නේ? What are you doing here? අපි දැනටමත් එතන ඉන්නේ. We are almost there. අපි දැනටමත් එතන ඉන්නේ. We are almost there. ඔයා මොනවද කිව්වේ? What did you say? ඔයා මොනවද කිව්වේ? What did you say? අතහරින්න එපා. Don't give up. අතහරින්න එපා. Don't give up. ඒක ඇත්තටම හොඳයි. It's really good. ඒක ඇත්තටම හොඳයි. It's really good. කරුණාකර විනාඩියක් දෙන්න. Just a minute please. කරුණාකරලා විනාඩියක් දෙන්න. Just a minute please. කොහොමද ඒක? How is it? කොහොමද ඒක? How is it? ඇතුළට එන්න. Come in. ඇතුළට එන්න. Come in. කරුණාකරලා වාඩි වෙන්න. Please have a seat. කරුණාකරලා වාඩි වෙන්න. Please have a seat. මම ළඟ සල්ලි නැහැ. I have no money. මම ළඟ සල්ලි නැහැ. I have no money. හැමදේම හොඳටම තියෙනවා. Everything is great. හැමදේම හොඳටම තියෙනවා. Everything is great. මටත් ඒ වගේමයි. Same for me. මටත් ඒ වගේමයි. Same for me. මේ පැත්ත භයානකයි. This area is dangerous. මේ පැත්ත භයානකයි. This area is dangerous. මම ගොඩක් කෑවා. I ate too much. මම ගොඩක් කෑවා. I ate too much.